For those of you who don't know, my name is Casey Anthony. My daughter is Kaylee Anthony.
Casey Anthony has joined TikTok more than 13 years after she was acquitted in the murder of her daughter Kaylee. The 38-year-old joined the social media platform on March 1st. There, she shared a video announcing her new Substack page and her reason behind it.
I am a legal advocate. I am a researcher. I've been in the legal field since 2011. And in this capacity, I feel that it's necessary, if I'm going to continue to operate appropriately as a legal advocate, that I start to advocate for myself and also advocate for my daughter. My goal is to continue to help give a voice to people, to give people tools and resources that they can utilize so they actually know where they can turn to. So with that, please join me on Substack.
Casey added that one of the main reasons she's creating an online presence now is that people close to her have, quote, been targeted and attacked recently.
As a proponent for the LGBTQ community, for our legal community, women's rights, I feel that it's important that I use this platform that was thrust upon me and now look at as a blessing as opposed to the curse that it has been since 2008.
She went on to share what people can expect from the videos and posts she'll be sharing.
These aren't going to be perfect. They're not going to be edited. Most of the time, they're not going to be short. But I am proverbially standing in the light, embracing this piece, still going to keep my privacy intact. So you will get very comfortable with my car. And I will explain in great detail why it's so important for people to protect their privacy. It's not just important to public figures, it's even more important to private individuals. And with the current climate in our country especially, it's that much more important.
Casey also directed TikTok viewers to her Substack. She wrote in her bio on the platform, "It has been more than 16 years since my name became a household one. Everyone seems to have an opinion about me and about my life. I am an advocate, a researcher. These are my words. This is my real life." She's already posted a handful of notes on the app sharing her opinions, the most recent of which was on the presumption of innocence. It read in part, "The presumption of innocence is a sacred right afforded to all individuals arrested in this country. That is not an opinion, it is a fact. We are plagued by a rush to judgment before someone even steps foot in a courtroom. Once a verdict is read, however long the process takes, the public must trust that the system worked the way it was intended." Casey's step back into the public eye comes more than 16 years after the death of her 2-year-old daughter Kaylee in 2008. Casey was indicted on charges of first-degree murder, aggravated manslaughter, aggravated child abuse, and providing false information to law enforcement. After a highly publicized trial in 2011, a jury found Casey not guilty on the murder, manslaughter, and child abuse charges. She was convicted on 4 counts of lying to police. However, 2 of those counts were later dropped.